Did you know that the idea of fat-burning zones is actually a myth? Yes, you heard it right. It's a popular belief that there's a specific heart rate zone where your body supposedly burns more fat during exercise. But the truth is, when it comes to burning fat, it's not that simple. Your body burns calories from both carbohydrates and fats. The ratio of these fuels used varies depending on the intensity and duration of the exercise. When you're working out at a lower intensity, you might burn a higher percentage of calories from fat, but the total calories burned will be lower. Conversely, at higher intensities, you burn a larger number of total calories and more fat calories overall, despite a lower percentage coming from fat. So let's debunk this myth and explore 10 surprising ways to speed up fat burning, even while you sleep. Before we dive into the surprising ways, let's understand what fat burning really means. Fat burning is essentially the process where your body uses fat instead of carbohydrates as its primary source of fuel. This process is directly linked to your metabolism, which is the rate at which your body converts what you eat and drink into energy. Now, it's important to note that both diet and exercise play significant roles in this process. A balanced diet provides the necessary fuel your body needs to function, and exercise helps to increase your metabolic rate, allowing you to burn more calories and fat. But here's the kicker. Our body continues to burn fat even when we're at rest. Yes, even while we're sleeping. So, how do we maximize this potential? How do we get our bodies to burn fat more efficiently? Now that we have a basic understanding, it's time to reveal the surprising ways to speed up fat burning. Surprising way number 1. Increase your protein intake. We all love a good steak or a slice of grilled chicken, right? But these aren't just delicious treats. They are powerhouses of protein, a vital nutrient that can give your metabolism a significant boost. Here's why. Protein requires more energy to digest compared to fats and carbohydrates. This process, known as the thermic effect of food, can increase your metabolic rate by up to 30%. But that's not all. Protein also aids in maintaining and growing muscle mass. Since muscles burn more calories than fat, even when you're resting, maintaining a healthy muscle mass can supercharge your fat-burning process. So next time you're planning your meals, don't skimp on the protein. Add some lean meats, dairy, eggs, or plant-based proteins like lentils and chickpeas. So start incorporating more protein into your meals for a faster metabolism. Surprising way #2. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Now you may be thinking, water? Really? That's your big tip? But hear me out. Water is a key player in the fat-burning process. It's like the unsung hero of weight loss. When we're properly hydrated, our bodies can efficiently metabolize the food we eat, turning it into energy rather than storing it as fat. Plus, drinking water can help curb hunger pangs, making us less likely to reach for those unhealthy snacks. Think of water as the oil in your body's fat-burning engine. Without it, things just don't run as smoothly. So next time you're feeling peckish or even a bit sluggish, try reaching for a glass of water instead of that cookie. You might just be surprised at the difference it can make. Remember, water is your best friend when it comes to fat burning. Surprising way #3. Green tea is not just for relaxation. It's a potent brew that can kick your fat-burning process into high gear. Green tea is abundant in antioxidants called catechins, which can help to boost metabolism. But there's more to this humble leaf than meets the eye. One particular catechin, called epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, has been studied extensively for its fat-burning properties. It works by increasing the levels of hormones that tell your fat cells to break down fat. This released fat is then moved into the bloodstream and made available as energy. And here's a bonus. Green tea can help you lose harmful belly fat. Studies have shown that the fat lost from green tea is often what we call visceral fat, the kind that builds up around your organs and is associated with various diseases. So why not swap your regular tea or coffee with green tea? It's a small change that could bring big benefits to your fat-burning journey. Surprising way #4. Say hello to high-intensity interval training, or as the fitness aficionados call it, HIIT. HIIT is a form of cardiovascular exercise that alternates between periods of intense anaerobic exercise and less intense recovery periods. Now you might be wondering, why HIIT? Well, here's the kicker. HIIT keeps your heart rate up and burns more fat in less time. It increases your metabolism and helps you burn calories faster, even after you've finished your workout. Yes, you heard that right. It's like setting your body on fat-burning autopilot. And the best part? You don't need any special equipment or a gym membership. You can do HIIT workouts right at home with exercises like jumping jacks, burpees, or high knees. But remember, always listen to your body and don't push yourself too hard. So, it's time to amp up your workout routine with some HIIT. Surprising way #5. Yes, you can burn fat while sleeping. Now, isn't that a delightful thought? Here's how it works. During sleep, your body is still hard at work. It's repairing cells, consolidating memories, and yes, burning fat. You see, the process of metabolism continues all through the night. And when you're in the land of dreams, your body uses stored fat for energy. But here's the catch. Lack of sleep can throw a wrench into this magical process. When you don't get enough shut-eye, your body starts producing more ghrelin, the hormone that signals hunger, and less leptin, the hormone that makes you feel full. This can lead to late-night snacking, overeating, and ultimately, weight gain. Plus, sleep deprivation can mess with your insulin sensitivity, making it harder for your body to process sugars. This can lead to fat storage and weight gain. So, ensure you're getting enough sleep every night. Surprising way #6. Eating small, frequent meals can speed up your metabolism. This might sound counterintuitive, but stick with me here. Your body is a complex machine, and it needs a steady supply of fuel to keep running smoothly. Just like you wouldn't let your car run on empty, you shouldn't let your body run on fumes. When you eat small, frequent meals, you're essentially giving your metabolism a continuous job. It's constantly working to break down and process the food you're eating. This keeps your metabolism active and, as a result, can aid in fat burning. Plus, eating regularly can help control hunger and prevent overeating. So, instead of 3 large meals, consider 5 to 6 smaller meals throughout the day, and remember these meals should be balanced and nutritious. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also when and how you eat. Surprising way #7. Spice up your meals with capsaicin. Have you ever wondered why some people swear by spicy food for weight loss? The secret lies in a compound called capsaicin, the chemical responsible for the fiery kick in chili peppers. It turns out, this spicy ingredient does more than just set your taste buds ablaze. Capsaicin has been found to boost metabolism, helping your body burn calories at a faster rate. It does this by increasing your body's heat production, a process known as thermogenesis, which can increase calorie burn. But that's not all. Capsaicin also helps promote fat burning by enhancing the breakdown of fat in the body. And if you're worried about the heat, don't be. Even a small amount of capsaicin can have beneficial effects. So whether it's a sprinkle of chili flakes on your avocado toast or a dash of hot sauce on your eggs, incorporating capsaicin into your meals can be a game changer. So don't shy away from adding a little heat to your meals. Surprising way #8. Stand more, sit less. Our modern lifestyle often encourages a sedentary routine, but this could be slowing down your metabolism more than you think. In fact, research suggests that prolonged sitting can lead to a series of health issues, including obesity and metabolic syndrome. So what's the solution? Stand up. Simply standing can increase your metabolic rate by up to 30%, which translates to more calories burned and more fat melted away. And it's not just about standing still. Try walking around while on a phone call, or switch to a standing desk. You'll be amazed at how these small changes can add up over time. And let's not forget, it's not just about the calories. Standing more often improves circulation, aids digestion, and can even boost your mood. So stand tall and embrace a more active lifestyle. Remember, every bit of movement counts. Surprising way #9. Expose yourself to cold temperatures. No, this doesn't mean you should go running around in the snow half-dressed. Instead, we're talking about a more controlled exposure to cold, like taking a brisk walk on a chilly day, or lowering the temperature in your home by a few degrees. Here's what happens. When your body is exposed to cold, it has to work harder to maintain your core temperature. This revs up your metabolism, causing your body to burn more calories, and yes, that includes fat calories. Scientific research has shown that this method can be an effective way to increase fat burning. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Clinical Investigation found that people who spent 2 hours a day in temperatures around 66 degrees Fahrenheit increased their metabolic rate by up to 30%. So, don't be afraid of a little cold. It might just give your fat-burning efforts a surprising boost. Surprising way #10. Laugh more. Yes, you heard it right. Laughter can indeed give your metabolism a little boost, helping you burn calories even while you're having a good chuckle. It's the most delightful way to speed up fat burning, isn't it? So, there you have it. 10 surprising ways to accelerate fat burning even while you sleep. From increasing your protein intake, hydrating more, to sipping on green tea, to engaging in high-intensity interval training. We've discussed the relationship between sleep and fat burning. the benefits of small, frequent meals, the power of capsaicin, the importance of standing more, and the effects of cold exposure on fat burning. And of course, the joy of laughter. Each method is a piece of the puzzle in your fat-burning journey. Remember, every little change can make a big difference, so start incorporating these surprising ways into your routine and see the difference. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video so you don't miss out on more valuable content like this. Happy fat burning!